In this video, we will be seeing how to use if-else statement in C program or C programming. So if-else statement is one of the decision-making statements. So under control statements, we have three categories. One is decision-making, one is looping, and the other is jumping or loop control. So in the first category, that is decision making, which is also called conditional statement, if else statement is one of the type. So there are different types of statements in decision making, the first category, and in that we have if statement, if else statement, nested if, and we also have switch statement. So if else statement is one of the decision making statement in C programming, and in case of if else, we will be giving a condition in program. So using if, we can give a condition in C program, which when executed, it will, according to condition result, it will take the decision. That is why it is called decision making. So in one of our videos, we have already seen if statement. So if statement used for giving or using condition in C program, and based on the result of condition, we will be taking the decision. If condition is true, then if block is executed. If it is false, if block is not executed. This is in case of if statement, where we don't have else block. So in case of if statement, if the condition is true, if block is executed, otherwise else block is, because else block not there, nothing is executed. Now in case of if else statement, everything is same as if statement. The syntax is slightly changed because here we have an additional else block like this. So here, using the else keyword, we will be adding an additional else block to the if statement. So here what is the difference is, if the condition is false, the if block is not executed. But here, because there is an else block gets executed. So the statements which are present in else block, that gets executed in the if else statement. So here, if the condition is true, if block is executed. If the condition is false, else block is executed. So we can say in if else statement, we provide a condition. If condition is true, then if block is executed. If block statements are executed. And if condition is false, then else block statements are executed, unlike if block, because in if block we don't have else block. So nothing gets executed if the condition is false in case of if statement. So in case of if statement, if condition does not satisfy or if it is false, then if block is not executed and remaining program execution continues. But in case of if else statement, if the condition is false, then else block statements are executed. So that is about if else statement in C programming. We provide a condition in C program according to which we take a decision. So here we can write according to which decision is taken. So what decision is taken, which code should be executed, that we decide based on the condition result. So statement or statements, we can have single statement or multiple statements in the if block or else block. Now let's see it practically according to this syntax. So we will be executing a C program in Dev C++ IDE now. So first I will be writing hash include stdio dot h. That is, we are including here standard input output header file. Now void main. So this is starting point of execution. Whatever we write in main, only that gets executed. So these two things will be present in every C program. Now I am taking two variables, int a, comma b. So a value I am taking here 15, b value I am taking 50. Now using if, I will take a condition if a is greater than b. And if a is greater than b, I want to print using printf a is greater than b. So this will be printed when a is greater than b. So if this condition is true, then a is greater than b will be printed on output screen. Else it I want to print, if the condition is false, I want to print b is greater than a. So condition will be false when the b value is greater than a. So let's see what will be the result for our program. So first compile it to check any errors. So there are no errors or warnings, and then run it. So we got b is greater than a. Now you can see b value is 50, a value is 15. So because b value is greater than a, our condition which we have kept here, a greater than b, here we are checking if a is greater than b. So according to these values, a is not greater than b. Condition is false. That is why we are getting the second part executed. So it is printing b is greater than a. Suppose I am giving here 115. Then a value is greater than b. So now if I compile and run, I get a is greater than b because now a value is greater than b value. So this way we can make use of if else statement in C programming. Now let's see once the if statement. If there is no else, then what happens? So because a is greater than b, we are getting the condition true, a greater than b. Now suppose I give 15, then I get nothing in case of if statement. But the same if I do in if else, if I take 15 and if else, I get b is greater than a printed because our condition is false. I am getting else block executed. If condition is true, we get if block executed. So thank you for watching the video. So this is how we execute if else statement in C programming. And for more C programming topics and other computer programming languages topics, please do subscribe the channel.